Can you believe that the fantastic and beautiful interior of the ŠKODA ENYAQ may be origin at your home?
Honestly, the seats which are part of lodge trim level are produced of recycled plastics.
For example, from a plastic bottle previously used by you.
This indeed is a typical ŠKODA, a democratic and spacious interior with different kind of materials which are really nice to touch. The perfect choice for people who are more interested in environmentally friendly materials. This is the first time when we are using recycled textiles in combination with the wool yarns, which makes the feel even more special.
And why don't we take a short trip back now as far as to your plastic bottle? Each meter of the upholstery fabric has been carefully checked by an experienced pair of eyes. And this stage was preceded by washing and fixing for dimensional stability.
And now the most important thing, weaving. A fascinating show in which up to 6,000 of threads are put into the loom to form a finished fabric in front of your eyes. The weave and pattern options are endless and can be tailored precisely to the designer's input.
The food for the weaving machine is prepared on a warping machine. Polyethylene threads are unwound from hundreds of spools. Since it is essential to detect any possible defect already at this stage, the threads are tangent, and should any of them fail, the machine will stop. Right now, you may be asking yourselves, where do these threads come from? Our plastic bottle was crushed, melted, and compressed into granules. They were then used to produce yarn, using enormous pressure. And there we are. The next step is the thread. It's enormously strong, and the fabric made of it is extremely resistant.
For these ENYAQ, we are using roughly 1,000 plastic bottles and recycle them with our partners for the fabrics we have in the car. We at ŠKODA AUTO stand proud for sustainable and circular economy for the generations to come.